application of what we just learned about the areas of triangles. That's what we're going to do here with this quilt. And believe it or not, quilting can be, something that you have to calculate mathematically so you can not underbuy or overbuy any fabric. You don't want to run out of fabric and then not be able to go back and find the colors you were using to finish your quilt. And you don't want to have so much left over, you've wasted your money and you're not going to use this fabric anymore. So, there is a mathematical component to this thing. So we've got the Texas Treasures quilt block, includes 24 purple triangles, and you can see those on your picture there. The base and height of each triangle are about 3 inches. Find the approximate amount of fabric used to make the 24 triangles. So you know how many triangles you have for the quilt itself for that particular pattern. What you don't know is how much total fabric you need. And so to figure this out, we're going to go back to basics. Looks and appears to be a right triangle is what it looks like to me, where base and height are both the same thing, which is 3 inches. So we're going to find the area of just one triangle. And to do that, we're going to do 1/2 times base times height. So that would be 1/2 times 3 times 3. Half of 9 is 4.5. Okay? So that's the area of just one rectangle, or one triangle, excuse me. We have 24 of them. So you're going to just take your answer and you're going to multiply it times 24, and then that's how much square foot of fabric or square inches of fabric we're going to need. And 24 times 4.5 is exactly 108 square inches. So that's the amount of fabric that's needed approximately to make those 24 triangles, if they're measured out as 3x3s. Okay? So I'm going to leave this particular, check it out, I'm going to leave that for you guys. There's no picture that accompanies it, so you may want to draw your picture and then answer the question accordingly. You're finding the amount of fabric used to make 4 rectangles, and they've given you the dimensions of each of the rectangles. So show your work. Let me see how you get it. Don't just slap an answer down. Let's see how you did that exactly. Thanks a lot.